Selecting the appropriate landing gear for your DJI Flip drone is crucial for both safeguarding your investment and guaranteeing seamless takeoffs and landings. We will examine some of the top landing gears for the DJI Flip in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have generic landing gear. For DJI Flip users seeking a straightforward and efficient solution, generic landing gear is frequently the preferred option. Enhanced height landing gear made especially for the DJI Flip. This product is durable, 3D printed, and composed of plastic. The flight range is nearly unaffected by ultralight weight. After the height is increased by roughly 2.5 centimeters, a bracket is used to provide more terrain possibilities for takeoff and landing, making it safer and more confident. The quick-release design is comfortable to use and simple to disassemble. It offers an affordable solution for protecting your drone without going over budget. For the majority of users that fly their drones in typical settings, it offers sufficient protection, even though it might not absorb as much shock as some specialized landing gear. Generic landing gear is a great alternative if you're new to drones and want a dependable solution that doesn't make flying more difficult. On number 2, we have YYRCVRA landing gear. For those looking to upgrade your DJI Flip drone, the YYRCVRA landing gear is a great option. The impact absorption capabilities of this landing gear are among its most alluring qualities. They are especially helpful while flying over rough or uneven terrain. The DJI Flip drone is compatible with a specifically built tripod protection heightening bracket landing leg. Precise molding for Flip, which allows for a 25mm height increase into the storage bag without requiring the tripod to be disassembled. The landing apparatus, the 5.3 grams ultralight protective cover for Flip, is composed of plastic and has no effect on flight. Snap-on installation is easy, convenient, secure, and difficult to tumble from. The YYRCVRA landing gear's easy installation procedure is yet another noteworthy feature. It doesn't call either specific equipment or highly skilled technical knowledge, although it might be a little trickier than installing generic landing gear. Even people who are very new to drone flying but want to upgrade their equipment for improved performance and protection can now afford it. On number 3, we have generic tripod landing gear. Drone operators who require more stability during taking off and landing can find a workable option with generic tripod landing gear. Because of the tripod's strong base, there is a far lower possibility of the drone toppling over. When using the DJI Flip on uneven terrain or in windy situations, this steadiness is especially helpful. One of generic tripod landing gear's main advantages is its adaptability. Whether you're launching from a sandy beach, a grassy field, or even a concrete pavement, it works well on all types of surfaces. Typically, the tripod legs have rubber feet or other non-slip components to add extra traction and keep your drone firm on any surface. In order to keep control at vital flight times, this additional stability may be essential. Generic tripod landing gear is excellent at providing stability, but it's also made to be convenient for the user. A lot of versions include legs that can be folded up or taken off, which makes them easier to store and move. If you regularly transfer your drone between different sites, this can be a big benefit. Even though it is a little thicker than other kinds of landing gear, the improved stability and performance it provides frequently surpass the mobility trade-off. So these are some of the best landing gears to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.